Okay, so question 9, in right triangle with the measure of angle y at 90 degrees. So I'm going to draw in a right triangle. And I'm going to put y at 90. And I have x and z as the other angle. Bella, stop it. Then they told me that the sine of x is 3 over 5. So from here, I'm going to mark off x, and I know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite over the hypotenuse. And I could use a squared plus b squared equals c squared to find that missing side, because I want to compare all three sides using sine and cosine of the different angles. So for this side right here, I'm doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is a missing leg, so I'm just going to call it x squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. X squared plus 9 equals 25. Bring the 9 over. And x squared equals 16. Take the square root. And x is equal to 4. So for here, if I have sine of x equals 3 over 5, I'm going to look over here and fill in what the cosine of x is. So we said this was opposite, that's hypotenuse, this is adjacent. We know that the cosine of x is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse. Adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So the cosine of x is equal to 4 over 5, but we want to know which one is equal to 3 over 5. So we know that's not correct. The other two deal with z. So from here, from here I'm looking at z. So I'm going to mark off z and fill in my opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So opposite, adjacent, and my hypotenuse stays the same. So the sine of z is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of z is opposite over hypotenuse, which is still not 3 over 5. So we're just going to check to see. Cosine of z is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. And that is the one that is equal to 3 over 5. Bella, say hi. Give me my pen back.